Let me be perfectly clear. Degenerative disc disease is not a disease. In this video, I'm going to share with you the stretches that helped me to recover from degenerative disc disease. I was diagnosed with degenerative disc disease at 21 years old, and it felt like my life was over. If a doctor notices that you have less fluid in your disc than is normal, they'll diagnose you with this disease. This is like someone with a broken leg saying you have broken leg disease. The reality is that degenerative disc disease is not a disease. All it means is that your discs have a little bit less space. That's it. The question is, why would your discs be compressed? Nobody knows, but I believe it has to do with sedentary living and tight muscles. The following stretches are going to help to loosen up the muscles that get habitually tight from sitting. For example, the psoas muscle connects directly from your spine to your inner thigh. If you spend an excess amount of time sitting, this muscle is going to become tight and it's going to pull on your spine. I use these stretches on my journey to get out of pain, and I hope that they can help you as well. Stretch number 1 is lying down on your stomach. It's a really simple thing to do. It might not even feel like you're stretching, and that's the idea. We spend so much time flexed forward when sitting that we become imbalanced and the front of our bodies become tightened up. By lying down in your stomach, you're getting a little bit more space in the front of your body. You're stretching out your abs and your tight hip flexor muscles. This is one of the simplest stretches to do, and it's a great place to start if you're currently in pain. Start by resting your chin on your hands. If you feel pain in this position, try to adjust by placing a pillow under your stomach or by actively squeezing your glutes to reduce the amount of lumbar extension. If it feels good, you can progress to raising onto your elbows or your hands. Imagine lengthening your spine and the muscles on the front of your body. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes and make this a regular resting position throughout the day. Stretch number 2 is the couch stretch. I call this the anti-sitting stretch because when I spend a lot of time sitting, I perform this stretch to overcome that position. The couch stretch opens up the hip flexors, the quadriceps, and even the abdominals. Place your back knee into a corner and your front foot flat on the ground in front of you. Start by leaning forward and stay here if it's intense. For a greater stretch, come to an upright position and squeeze your back glute. You can add a reach or a rotation if it feels good. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes per side. Stretch number 3 is to hang from a bar. Hanging from a bar decompresses your spine and stretches every muscle in your torso. If you make hanging a part of your daily routine, you'll actually get taller. Seriously, you will get taller if you make hanging a regular part of your routine. Start with your feet on the ground and reach up to grab the bar with palms facing forward and hands shoulder width apart. If this is a stretch for you, there's no need to lift your feet off the ground. If you want a greater stretch, lift your feet off the ground and hold until your grip starts to fatigue. Take short rests and allow your grip to recover and repeat for 1 to 2 minutes. Stretch number 4 is the frog stretch. Start by kneeling on a soft surface such as a yoga mat or a folded towel. Slowly widen your knees, keeping your feet together and a slight arch in your back. Push your hips back and spread your feet until you feel a comfortable stretch in your groin and inner thighs. Hold this position for 1 to 2 minutes. The 5th and final stretch is the dumbbell pullover. The dumbbell pullover will stretch and strengthen the muscles around your shoulders. This is especially helpful if you have tension in your mid or upper back. Start by lying on a bench with a dumbbell. Slowly reach back overhead until you feel a stretch, and then squeeze the muscles of your armpits to return to the starting position. Perform 12 repetitions. These 5 stretches will help to lengthen and strengthen the muscles that become habitually tight from excess sitting. Incorporating these stretches into your daily routine can help to alleviate your back pain and prevent further back pain from occurring. I've shared these stretches with you in the hopes that it will save you time on your fitness journey. I know what it's like to be in pain 24 hours a day, and I'm on a mission to help others get out of chronic pain. If you have any questions, please send me a message or comment below. If you want help on your fitness journey, schedule a consultation at tompfeiffer.com. Hope this helps. Until next time. Peace.